Valentine's Day. The one day a year that it's acceptable to send unsolicited declarations of attraction in the form of a request to be one's Valentine. The day of love. Le jour de l'amour. Back in 2021, we were introduced to Nathan, a man who fell in eternal love with a Gala Shade Gazebo. In fact, Nathan went on to tie the knot with his pop-up gazebo in an unprecedented wedding ceremony between man and inanimate object. A commercial-grade pop-up tent predominantly used for outdoor trading, festivals and events, motorsport, parties and celebrations, and now marriage to a human person.
Hey, what can I say? I love a sturdy aluminium frame. She's got great legs. I've seen at least 3 guys hanging from her trusses. She's everything that I need.
Questions were raised at the time.
When he said he was marrying a gazebo, I was a bit surprised. I mean, he never shown any interest in high quality and versatile pop-up gazebos when we were kids.
Hey, it's 2023, I'm as open-minded as the next person. If you want to marry a superior and robust pop-up gazebo, then go for it. I mean, she's got a 10-year spare parts guarantee. How many husbands and wives can you say that about? I mean, I know we get funny looks when we're out in town, but you know what? That says more about other people than it does them.
Nathan and his wife Gabriellazebo live in Barnsley with their young son Gabriellazebo and live a seemingly normal life, with Nathan working from home in digital marketing and Gabriellazebo splitting her time working several jobs, including on the town's market, at a mobile valet and detailing firm, and at a mobile bar on the festival circuit.
We're happy together, but we don't get to see much of each other due to my career. A gazebo's versatile as me can be in high demand, especially during wet or warm weather.
Yeah, it can be hard. We're working all hours, earning a crust. I just know the people are eyeing her up, especially those disposable gazebos, but she always comes back to me.
They've asked me to babysit, but I'm not really sure how to entertain a young gazebo. I mean, usually I just set him in front of the TV. His favourite channel is tiny pop-ups, but yeah, he just watches it for hours.
Sometimes the relationship can be strained, particularly when the pair spend any amount of time beneath a gala tent marquee.
I can see him, looking at the powder-coated steel framework with lust in his eyes, with sleek curvy poles and white clean PVC, and I think maybe he would rather trade me in for a bigger model.
Yeah, if I were going to leave her for anything, it'd be one of them Gala Tent Fusion marquees. Have you seen the strength of them?
All couples go through rough patches, but they're as strong as anybody, especially Gabriellazebo. I've seen her take winds of up to 33 miles an hour.
But when all is said and done, the pair have seen off their fair share of challenges and remain dedicated to one another. Gabriellazebo has at least another 3 years on her warranty, and her canopy can be replaced easily in the event of any accidents. This Valentine's Day, on their 2nd wedding anniversary, they will celebrate by extending Gabriellazebo in the back garden and having friends round.
My wife loves her, my kids love her, she's ever so reliable in a light to moderate storm.
Sorry, I think I'm busy.
I can't wait. I'm going to surprise her with a set of sidewalls and some ground bars.